Welcome to Scruffsville. Oh, you might be able to see I am truly dressed down in the scuffs. That is because we're going to start mopping on the car. There she is, all tucked away. She's been here since the last clean. She's not moved. It's only like 2 days since the last clean. So we're going to take her up and go from there. So we're not going to get much done today. We will start roof up and overs, around the roof and roof flap, and underneath the roof flap as well. So I'll show you this in a second. Obviously it's spec seat, it has a roof flap. I don't imagine it's ever been cleaned before, so there's a couple of bits as we're going around which need a little bit of extra attention. So we're going to try and start there. I'll get set up a little bit and we'll see what looks good. This bit separately so I can cut it out. You can see the roof flap, there's a dirt line and there's also a lot of rubbing on the front, so we'll be able to get into some of this, but there's going to be a point where the bottom side of the pad comes into contact. So for this we're just going to try a 10-to-1 mix of all-purpose cleaner with a brush and dry it off with a microfiber. I have no idea if this is actually going to help, hinder or do anything, but there's nothing to lose from trying to get it in there and at least get some of the dirt line out. I don't even know if this is easy having this up or down, but it is the softest brush I've got and a brand new clean microfiber. So that actually looks to have brought a lot of the dust out. Don't worry about the speckles on the rest of the car. Our overspray for a Fail Friday video you'll be getting shortly. You may have already seen, depending when this goes up. That actually has made a big difference. I don't want to take this off because it doesn't leak. So we're going to leave it there and take up some little bits and we'll see where machine polish can get round the front. I got pretty serious pretty quickly. So take the car up. Let me show you what I mean by taking it up. Doesn't she look pretty? She's all Tron-like. So that's all trim bits, but I don't want to get anything on. It is going to be a nightmare if I do. So we're going to go with that. We're not going to get much done today. We're going to probably try and concentrate on getting roof, up and overs, as I've already said. It is like 7 o'clock now. Obviously this is after work, this is evenings. I do work a full-time job in it, so I'm just going to sort of get on with it and stop talking, to be honest. And I keep saying and it's really annoying. I don't know why. Let's just crack on with it. I'm going to start with a little spot pad, mainly to try and get rid of some of that like rub line from a rubber seal. So I tried to keep this as best I think I should, and we'll go on to the top side of it and then switch out to a large pad and try and get the roof done. So I'm going to set you up somewhere appropriate, not looking at the ceiling. And what is there to lose, really? I'll probably fast forward some of this footage. So enjoy. That's a little better. I don't want to go loads into it. So I'm just going to shut flat and we'll keep going on to the next bit. One thing I did forget saying all of this isn't a correction, this is an enhancement. I'm not in the position right now to go full hog on this. The paint is so soft, but just the microfiber. We are just trying to take off some of the marking on my car, which is all I want to do, is just bring it back to a point where I can put a wax on it and she'll be golden, which is exactly what that's doing across there. So I'm just going to run around, I'm going to go to the big pad and I'll show you in 2 seconds. We are moving on to brand new, clean your car, medium compound pad, and a bit of a lighter cut. Yeah, if we can see, you should be able to see. It's just to try a different combination for this larger area. So I'm probably going to move you back on my car because you're a bit far forward for what you need to see to make this any sort of interesting. And I'll kick you into fast motion again. We've done a first pass. It's had a paint blow over by the look of it. It's not horrendous, but there is some marking down into the lacquer, like a load of pinheads. So we're going to keep going as much as I dare. It's very soft paint, very, I can imagine it getting quite grabby quite quickly. So we're just going to see what we can do. It is 10 times better than it was already. So we're just going to keep going. Just done a first pass along the upper neighbours. Again, we have about the same, it's almost like a lacquer spray over under the top level of a boot spoiler. It's got some nice clarity to it, but it's never going to be perfect, unfortunately. It has just had that bit too much work done. It's a shame, because it's a beautiful car, so we're getting some dust and that across the roof now. Whatever work we're doing, we'll make a decision on how we're going to deal with the dust later. But I'm going to show you bonnet, and then I probably won't record much more today because it'll probably get a little bit boring. So I'm going to stick on the slow-mo, or slow-mo, something, and get some footage clocked up for you. Come back out of slow-mo, since you can't hear me talking. She is a lot better, looking a lot more, shaky shaky, a lot more like she should. So I've done a little bit off camera. So we've got roof's been done, bonnet's been done, that spoiler's been done, little spoiler side plates, and the top pillars. Again, just to bring some life back to the car. So I'm going to continue for a little bit. It's been a couple of hours now. 1, 2, over 2 hours. And this is just the first pass. We probably need a second pass and refining to move any marks we've left. So I'm going to continue for a little bit. I'm probably not going to pick up the camera because I need to get on with it. And we'll pick up in a day or two. We'll move on to some of the lower panels. I think fine from a shot. There's a couple that need more work than others, as always. So we'll have to get out the little heads for the up and overs, but she's coming on. I mean, it's not hot outside, but I am hot. Hot doing this, and it hurts a lot. People who do this all day, I can't even hold the camera straight. People who do it all day, fair play. I'm gonna crack on. Little Blue for a bit. That's not her name. His name, her name. It's a girl's name. I think she has a name. She might have a name. I don't know. I'm too tired to think. I'm gonna crack on. I'll catch up with you soon.